crazy to think the Acura Integra first arrived nearly 40 years ago. It's true though. Honda created the Integra for Japan and an Acura version for North America. The Japanese market got the car in 1985. 1 year later, it served as one of the launch models for the entire Acura brand here in North America. In 1986, Acura became America's first premium Japanese automaker, and it did so on the back of the Legend and the Integra. The Integra sadly went away for a bit of a hiatus in 2001 as we got a 4-year run of its RSX replacement. But Acura brought the car back for the 2023 model year and is now getting a mid-cycle refresh with fresh bits found inside and out. So first, the good news for sport compact lovers. You can still get this thing with a 6-speed stick. It's a far more entertaining and engaging option compared to the CVT that's also on offer. Both of those gearboxes back up a 200 horsepower, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with the obvious exception of the Type S version. For 2026, Acura has a few new paint colors: Double Apex Blue Pearl, Solar Silver Metallic, and Urban Gray Pearl. If you select that blue or the also available Performance Red Pearl, the standard grille is now color matched. This being Acura, of course they do something to make you dislike the nose of an otherwise good-looking car. Fret not though, as we are not fully repeating the mistakes of the past. A gloss black grille is offered as an option on those two colors and standard on all others. Also, if you like that color matched grille, it's available as an option on Urban Gray Pearl and Platinum White Pearl. Solar Silver fans, I guess you're off the list this time around. Other exterior upgrades include a new aero body kit for A-Spec models. It adds black side spoilers to the corners of the front fascia, adds a new side sill garnish, and also features 18-inch black wheels. In the cabin, Acura ditches the 7-inch screen found on lower spec models, and now all versions get the nicer 9-inch screen. That screen also arrives with a new faster processor, so there should be no lagging issues. And it also works wirelessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A wireless charger is now standard kit as well. A-Spec models get a few more interior updates. If you select the Orchid interior, you get blue micro suede inserts. Cars with the Ebony interior get yellow stitching on the seats, steering wheel, shift boot, and door panels. Acura isn't messing too heavily with a good thing, which is smart. Though sales are down, it's still a dominant force in its own segment. And it's a tough segment considering the popularity of crossovers and SUVs. Regardless, it's great to see Acura continue to refine and support a long-established name in the industry. Here's to hoping the Type S continues to make the cut, and to also hoping there's an even spicier Type R version in the not-too-distant future.